Hello, my name is Mohammad Arshadulla Noor. I am an intern at StartTech Academy. In this video, I will be explaining the task that I have performed in msexcel. Problem statement. We have two parts in this problem statement. First part. You are provided with the general store transaction dataset. You are supposed to do the following operations. Draw a pivot table to get different types of outlets and their counts, and to get total sales for different outlets, and to find out the total sales of different item types in different outlet types. In third pivot table, filter out or remove low fat products and add slices for item fat and item type in last pivot table. This is the dataset we are provided with. With this dataset, we'll draw a pivot table from insert column pivot table. Here I have already done that. This is a pivot table. You can see these are the different item types, the item types in different outlet types. This is the grand total, and this is the grand total of in all the uh, item types. Here I have added slices for item fat content. If you click here low fat, you can see only low fat sales. If you click regular, you can see regular item sales. If you click here, you can see both of them combined. Here the slicer for item type. If you want only baking goods, you can see only baking goods. If you want only breads, you can see only breads. If you want only breakfast, you can see only breakfast. Part 2. Create a financial dashboard. You are provided with a profit and loss statement of company for the year 2020. Create a line graph for profit and profit margin for different years. Column chart for historical revenue. Pie chart for expense breakup. Main expenditure item target versus achieved. Here is a profit and loss statement of 2020, which we have been provided. This is line chart for profit and profit margin. You can see in 2017 we had less profit margin compared to previous years. After that we have been increasing gradually. Again in 2019 we had less profit margin compared to the previous year 2018. This is a historical revenue chart. You can see this is the projected of because this profit and loss statement is of 2020, we have till here, but the 2021 is projected. This is the expense breakup pie chart. You can see this is the main expenditure item target versus achieved. This is a financial dashboard, which you can see. This is a line chart, this is a column chart, this is a pie chart, and this is a bar chart. Thank you.